What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. So right here I have the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 in the studio, but wait, I got some more stuff here. I got some more goodies. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 right here. Wait, there's some more goodies. Hold up. I got a bunch of cases right here. So I got 2 silicone cover with strap cases for the Z Flip 4. I can't even speak today because I'm so excited, as well as 3 silicone covers with the ring, and I'll be making separate videos for each of those. But in today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Galaxy Z Flip 4. So without further delay, let's dive right in. Okay, so taking a look at the box, it says Flip right across, and you can tell it's reminiscent of like the Flip design, 2 different shades, a dark gray and a black, and the Galaxy Z Flip 4, Samsung right here on the side, nothing on the top, and then Galaxy Z Flip 4 on the left side. And I did have to rip out this tape before I started to record the video. But here it is, Galaxy Z Flip 4. I didn't bring the Z Flip 3 with me. It's not in the studio right now, but we're gonna have a comparison video. So here we go. I picked up the blue color, and I'm really excited to take a look at this. So let's pick it up. Wow. First impressions, it's sleek. It really is sleek. Wow, I like that matte finish. I like this light blue color. And taking a look at the bottom right here, so the sides around the entire device are glossy and the back is a matte finish, whereas last year it was the exact opposite. But let's put aside the Z Flip 4. We're gonna look into that a little bit more. There's nothing here. That's it, right? I'm just joking with you. Right here on the other side of the box, let's put this aside. We get all the paperwork and everything else. Let's take this out. So you guys know USB-C to C, the SIM ejector tool, and some quick start guide terms and conditions, and that's really it. So let's just unwrap the Z Flip 4 and listen in peace. I think I did that wrong. Let's do that again. Voila. Wow. That feels super good in the hand. Oh my goodness. That feels really good in the hand. Taking a look. Wow. This matte finish, I absolutely love it. One thing I do notice is the cameras kind of do, stick out more than the Z Flip 4 or Z Flip 3 just a little bit. Outer display, same size, but this matte finish. You can see the crease. It's still present. So for those who are, kind of asking for, is the crease gone? Well, no, it's not. It's there. You can feel it, but it's not as visible as the Z Flip 3. So let's try the first fold. Here we go. Wow. That feels really good. This is a really nice design. Samsung, I think you did a really good job with the Z Flip 4. This is so beautiful. This blue color itself is a beautiful color. But let's boot this up right here. Everything else is the same, from the power button on the side that has the fingerprint sensor, the volume buttons on the right side. But it does feel definitely more squared off, so I do like that. But let's boot this up, let's set it up, and I will be right back. All right, so here it is, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 in blue. I'm absolutely loving this. This is such a beautiful design. Not just a clean or minimal, this is a beautiful design. I absolutely love it. Now, the one thing that does stand out to me is obviously the matte finish. So now the sides around the phone has a more of a glossy finish, and the back of the phone is a matte finish, and it attracts less fingerprints, and it does feel more, it won't slide out of the hand in my limited use of this while setting up this device. Taking a look at this display, 120 hertz. The crease is visible at angles, obviously, and when you do slide your finger, you can still feel it. But for me, I feel like it's less noticeable than the one on the Z Flip 3, but that's just me. For some, it may be the same. And also peep this new wallpaper. It's called Harlequin. So if you want to check it out, I'll be leaving links in the description down below. I'm releasing this new wallpaper pack with the launch of the Galaxy Z Flip 4 as well as the Galaxy Z Fold 4. If you want to support the channel, links will be in the description down below. Anyway, you do have the film protector on the Z Flip 4. I advise you not to take that off, just to protect the phone. But taking a look at it, it's a Samsung panel. It's a really bright, really good panel, and I absolutely love it. Now, the thing that I want to test out with the Galaxy Z Flip 4 is battery life. Obviously, I have had this for not even like an hour or two, so I haven't not been able to test the battery. But when I did turn on the phone, it was at 53%. Right now, it's at 49%. So there is that. There is a larger battery, a 3700 milliamp hour battery, and the Z Flip 3 had a 3300 milliamp hour battery. So just do keep that in mind. There is a larger battery, upgraded cameras, more durable, a more refined design. I absolutely love this, and it was one of my favorite devices of 2021, the Z Flip 3. And you already know I am switching to the Z Flip 4. I was looking forward to this. I was looking forward to the improvements, and so far Samsung has been delivering on most of the improvements that I've asked for. We're gonna check out the battery life. We're definitely gonna check out the battery life, but I'm making the switch from the Galaxy S22 Ultra to the Z Flip 4 as my main daily phone. I use the Z Flip 3 as my daily driver. Absolutely amazing. I absolutely loved it. But I actually like this blue more than I do the green. Now, if that green was a matte green like it was, like last year they took that color and brought it this year and made it matte green, probably would have went for that. But this matte blue, this matte light blue, in fact, is amazing. And definitely you do see the fingerprints on the sides of the device, but I don't really care as long as it's not on the back of the phone where when I fold it, I just see the screen, the cover screen, which has stayed more or less the same, as well as this matte finish. And I do like how Samsung kind of, when you fold it out, it hides their Samsung logo, and then when you fold it back to become this miniature flip, then you can see its logo. I actually really do like this. Guys, the crease, not an issue. I'll say it again. It wasn't an issue for me when I used the Flip 3. It's not going to be an issue with the Flip 4. The bezels, what I also didn't know is about the bezels. I'm just throwing everything out there. My first impressions, bezels definitely look a little bit more pushed out. So there's, thinner bezels on all the way around, and it feels more of a squared off design, and I like this. I like this refined design of the Z Flip 4. If it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? Z Flip 4 is that. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Just add some refinements, larger battery, better camera, more durable design. That's really, the most things that were asked for from the Z Flip 3 when the Z Flip 4 would come out. But here we go, we have it. Lots of content is coming soon to the channel. This is the light blue, and I hope you guys did enjoy this unboxing. First impressions of the Z Flip 4. I'll be leaving links in the description down below for the wallpaper if you want to support the channel. It would really mean a lot to me. You guys make all of these videos possible by checking out these new devices. Thank you all so much for supporting the channel. If you did enjoy, be sure to super that like button and comment down below. And best of all, share this video because it really does help out the algorithm a lot. That's been it for me, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode.